Hi, in this video I will show you how you can design a simple price list using Canva. But if you are a busy person, you are a businessman or a businesswoman and you cannot just spend your time design everything from scratch, then I do recommend to just visit the Canva homepage and then search for price list, and you should be able to see plenty of beautiful designs that have been made by professionals, and you can just click any one of them and then modify the price, modify the item, and maybe modify the color, but the design is done by them. So it's very useful if you don't have time to design everything. But if you want to design from scratch, if you are interested into it, well, here's how you can do it. I'm going to recreate this design, maybe not all of them, just some part of it, using Canva, and I'll show you that this process is very easy. Now I'll start with a simple plain document, and I will go to the elements menu. Let's see the shapes, and usually the shape that I prefer is this one, the one with rounded corner. This is like square but has rounded corner. And after that, I'm going to make it a bit wider. Okay, let's change the color to something that is more appropriate. I want to search for some bright color, but not exactly white. I think I need some some texture on the color, maybe something like this one. It looks great. And also I will start adding some text. Let's go to text. This is going to be the title or the heading. I will call it price list, and let's change the color to something that is appropriate. Okay, let's click this one, or maybe I need something a bit darker. Right, that looks pretty good. Now let's go to text again, and I'm going to add some items here. So this is where you can start adding some item. Maybe you have a menu or you have some products that you sell, you can add it here. So I'm going to add some color and align it to the left, and I guess I'm going to make it smaller. So this is real time. I actually haven't designed this before, so maybe there will be some modification or some mistakes along the way, but the key takeaway is it's a very simple process. Yeah, I guess it's going to be product number 1. I'm going to make it a bit smaller. So I don't want to manually add text like that. I'm going to just copy this one, copy and paste. I'm going to copy again, or I just need to duplicate. I'm going to select these two, and duplicate them. All right, and maybe another one. I think it looks good. Now I guess I have to populate the item, populate that with some product names. Okay, so I guess I have to think about some menu example. Well, I have no idea what to add, so I'm going to just ask AI to give me some cafe menu examples. Okay, avocado toast. I just copy, and I'm going to just randomly copy these items. Copy and paste, copy and paste. Cinnamon rolls. Well, I still remember eating that a few weeks ago. And lastly, I guess I'm going to add this one. Now we are ready with the menu. The next thing that we can add is the price of the item. It's pretty simple. I just need to select all of them again, and this time around I'm going to just duplicate, and I'm going to align it to the right, and I'm going to put it here. Don't worry, we are going to change the content to something different later. Okay, it's going to be the price. Yes, this is going to be, let's say everyone is costing just $10. Every item is just $10. $10 and $10. So yeah, that's basically it. I guess it's very similar. Maybe you can add some decoration to it, like maybe I could add some shadow or add some effect behind it. So let's go to search elements, and it's going to be rectangular shadow. Actually not a shadow, more like light, like this. It's bright white, and let's put it to the back. Okay, I think it looks very good. So yeah, I guess that's basically how you can add or create a simple price list menu using Canva. Of course, this is just one example, very simple example. There are many things there are many other things that we can add. For example, the one that we have here, they have this line. We could just add that if you want to. You can add some line, and it's fairly simple, just a simple line, and we can change the color, change the length, and let's put it here. Oops, that's not what I meant. Okay, this is very challenging. Oh, I never seen that before. And change the color. Yep, that's basically it. That's how you can design a simple price list menu using Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.